and welcome to my little corner. And here we are again with Universal Yums. And this month we're doing snacks from the Netherlands. Let's open this up. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So this is packed, as you can see. So let's just, randomly select stuff. So this is Roca, the original cheese biscuits. Gouda, mini cheese crispies. It's all broken. Is it supposed to be broken? I don't know.
You broke it.
I broke it?
Yeah, you opened it. You broke it.
No, I think it's just like that, I guess. It's super tiny.
Biscuit.
It's alright.
Okay. Oh, I taste cheese now.
Yeah. It's not like too cheesy. Like, it's not like hit you in the face. Cheese. It's very soft. It's alright. Okay, next up we have, I really like this package of this Pasty milk orange. Okay, orange and chocolate once again. From past experience, orange and chocolate doesn't work.
Yeah, no. Are they doing that again?
Yeah, it's orange and chocolate. Oh. Okay, the top one is broken. You want to just take a piece of the broken one or you want a full one?
Yeah, I want just a piece.
You can't really see any orange anywhere there. Oh, it tastes like orange.
Yeah, I taste the chocolate and the orange at the same time already. Like, right away, instantly.
It's actually alright.
It's surprisingly
actually
not
good.
bad as the first time I tried orange with chocolate. Yeah, I'm trying it.
It's actually good. Nice.
I don't know how they pulled that off.
Thank you, Netherlands, for changing our opinion
Right.
of the mix of orange and
On
chocolate.
the orange and chocolate.
Okay, next up, let's see. Choco Stroopwafels. Stroopwafels?
Stroop. Oh, chocolate.
So it's basically a giant cookie.
Yeah.
It's the whole
Chocolate.
giant.
Yeah.
I think the caramel is like super extra thin. You can't even see it.
Yeah, it looks like it's just biscuit and then a chocolate.
Oh, I taste the caramel.
Oh,
But it's alright. It's not.
I like this the most out of these three.
It's actually pretty good. Next up. Oh no, we have gummies. You don't like them.
No.
It says auto drop. Cadillacs.
Oh.
It's Cadillac gummies. Oh, it's actually like hard.
It's a car.
It's a car.
I'll just take a piece from there.
It's like hard gummy.
Goodness.
It's like strawberry or something. Oh, it's berry. More auto drop.
Oh,
Okay, now it's like trucks.
that's a brand, Auto Drop.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see, but it's like those big the trucks for like a construction.
Okay, I just swallowed it again.
Next up, oh, we have more Roca and more cheese biscuits. Oh, but this one is cheddar and raspberry. Packaged within packages. Within packages.
The inception of package inception.
Okay, these are bigger and longer. The other ones are like tiny.
Whoa. It broke.
Oh, this one feels like flaky.
It's snackable. That's the word. Snackable. I would snack on this. I wouldn't mind eating it as a snack.
don't like it that much. It's kind of like one of those things I guess you would eat when you have nothing else. Okay, moving on to half of the box.
What?
Which was this big
That's
one.
it.
And these are, it does feel like there's a lot of stuff in here, so I'm happy about that. There's like some kind of chips, and it's a teddy bear.
Teddy bear
Can
chips.
you see this? Teddy bear chips. And these are paprika. And you see potatoes and a bell pepper. So there's potato chips, paprika, and bell pepper.
It's better than Cars.
Oh no! They're mutated. Oh no! It's
Oh,
so
no.
sad.
Let me see.
This is expectation. Okay.
Expectation.
Now this, I'm gonna grab a bunch so you see the reality of this. Is this a teddy bear? Is this anything? Is this a teddy bear? Maybe.
Mutated.
There's no face. There's nothing. What is this?
Mutants.
So it's complete. It's pretty sad.
You know what
Pretty
this just
sad.
reminds me of? Pig skin. Those those skin are just whatever shape. Right? Well, this is good. Even though it's shaped that way.
You like it?
I like that the most out of everything.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know how I feel about it. Okay, so now we have this big package here. It
Darn.
looks like there's a lot of nuts in here. Okay, it says lightly spiced Dutch cookies with peanut, rasp, and sugar. It smells good. You smell that?
Yes.
I like the smell of this.
Or I'll just bite off. Well, I can hear you chewing.
It's
loud.
crunchy. Oh. I think I know why I love the smell. I think there's cinnamon in here.
Oh.
Cookies made with cinnamon, peanuts, and pearl sugar.
Mhm.
I love cinnamon. Love cinnamon. Okay, now we're finally down to the yum bag. And this is usually hard candy and stuff that we are not very excited about. It says hard black licorice with salty filling.
Oh man, it's salty. I feel like I
This
just
doesn't-
tasted sweat.
It doesn't
No.
taste like food. Okay, next up we have these milk chewy. There's a little cow in here. It just says soft milk candy. So
Oh,
it's chewy candy, like
Oh.
hard chewy.
I've had something like that similar to that in the Philippines.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was one of my candies, my occasional candies.
It's not bad.
Snackable.
Okay, next up we have Holland hop cheese. This says coffee flavored hard candy. It looks like a giant pill.
Oh yeah.
You can bite these.
Yeah, you suck one of these.
I think you like these.
Yeah, cause the flavor, coffee. Yeah, I would snack on
I've
that.
had something like this before. So these are Dutch Best Pralines. It says milk chocolates filled with hazelnut cream, cereal crispies, or cappuccino cream. So, but there's only one of the green. So how are we gonna do this?
Can you have it? Or yeah, you can
I'm gonna bite
just
it.
share it. Oh, it's chocolate?
This is good.
Oh,
That's hazelnut.
the music played in my head. You want one?
The angel sang.
Yeah.
Let's try these two. Let's have that. Okay.
Oh yeah, I like this. Really good. Yeah, I can eat this.
Oh, I think that one had the cappuccino. These ones have cereal crispies.
They're both good.
Mm.
No, that's
These
a
are
snack.
so good.
That's a snack.
Okay, so we already tried everything. So now we are gonna cast our votes and give the awards for best, second best, worst, and weirdest. I'm gonna go first. My best yum was the last one. These pralines. These are so good. The second best was the cinnamon cookies, biscuits. Really like that. The worst one was the truck gummies were the worst. And the weirdest for me, I'm just gonna say these that don't taste like food.
The worst for me is just it doesn't taste like food. It's the worst. Doesn't taste like food. The weirdest is the chocolate with orange. Surprisingly, still not bad, but that's weird. Second best, these chocolate things in the wrap. Both of those. And the best is my best.
The mutated teddy bears.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Even though the shape is bad.
I was really looking forward to that
The taste.
shape, but it's very disappointing.
Taste was really good.
And now let's see clue for next month's box. It says next month there will be dragons and firework displays. You'll hear bagpipes and carolers singing Vesele Vanose. When the holidays roll around, it's always more fun to celebrate the special season with everyone. Bagpipes are from what is it? Germany?
Bagpipes?
No. Scotland. Can you Google that?
Oh, Czech.
Where are you seeing that?
Czech.
Oh. Okay,
Czech
so
Republic.
Czech Republic.
Yeah.
That's where it is. It means Merry Christmas.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Okay. So this is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed us trying snacks from the Netherlands. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe because I will see you next time. Bye bye.